My name is Reginald Green, and I'm an attorney. I'm the managing attorney of Green Legal Group, a full-service personal injury law firm in Atlanta. Reginald Green, the super lawyer. Well, when we interact with insurance companies, we do it from a position of strength. We have experience, we have knowledge, and we have expertise. So when we approach the insurance company, they understand that this is not our first rodeo. We've been here before. So we have confidence in what we say and the way we investigate our cases and the way we present them to the insurance company. This puts us in the best position to get the maximum recovery and the most money.
So here at Green Legal Group, we take personal injury cases very seriously. And that's why our slogan is, it's not just an injury case, it's personal. Our core values are compassion, integrity, advocacy, and professionalism. And we fight to get each client the maximum recovery and the most money for every case.
What makes our law firm different from other law firms is that because we're a smaller law firm, we're able to cater to our clients and give them a more individualized approach. So we actually know them by name, they're not just a number, and they know us. We check in on them regularly, we help them through each stage of the process, and they really get what they need as compared to, being left out on the ledge. And we're able to also provide them with the maximum settlement that they can get for their injuries.
We're a small firm, and the advantages of having a small firm work on a client's case is that we're kind of tight-knit and we work closely together, everyone in the firm. We also give the clients access to us. We have a close relationship with our clients. Also, they are able to have access to updates on their case from the beginning to the end.
The most satisfying aspect of this business for me is when I get to hand a client their check, because understand, when a client comes to us, they're not in the best of positions. Their world has fallen apart. They've been in an accident, slip and fall, something traumatic has happened to them, so they're not in their right frame of mind. So for us, or for me rather, when I get to talk to them on a regular basis, they become family. And family is everything. So when they give me a hug at the end, or they give our case managers the hugs, the attorneys the hugs at the end, we know that we've done right by them. And that's the most satisfying. This isn't business, it's personal for us.
Getting a life-changing result for a client feels great because I know that if I were in that situation, I would want somebody to do the same for me. I empathize with my clients, and I know when you're in a situation like that and you're helpless and you've never been in it before, to have somebody to take you through that process to help you to get to where you need to be is satisfying to me, because it lets me know that this is bigger than me.
So one of the advantages of working in a small firm is that we get to focus directly on the client to make sure that they get all of the attention that they need, and we provide the best service to them.
We prioritize strong relationship with our clients by being direct and straightforward with respect to the advice that we give, as well as our overall outlook on the case. What you hear from us is what you will not hear from other attorneys, because at the end of the day, our goal is to give you resolution and justice.
Our law firm is truly unique because we allow our clients to have personal attention with the attorneys. I speak with my clients on a daily basis, and so that's something that's unique to our firm.
A lot of firms are compartmentalized to the degree that you don't know what's happened in a case until it's your turn to participate. And in this one, we can sort of see how a case has evolved from beginning to end. As you know, this firm does everything from pre-lit all the way to post-lit after we've won or settled a case. And that can be very helpful as far as effectively litigating cases.
When you hire the super lawyer in Green Legal Group, it all comes down to one thing: peace of mind. When your case is over, you're gonna know that we did our best to get the maximum recovery and the most money. We didn't leave any money on the table. We didn't leave any stone unturned. You will leave with peace of mind knowing that the result you got was the best possible result for your case.
If you're in need of assistance with your personal injury claim, slip and fall, car accident, reaching out to us by phone, getting on our website, and or reaching out to us via social media is the best way to get us and get in contact with us so that we can help you as soon as possible.